All right, so I ended up getting a different can out of my arsenal. It's the Stihl can to the left, and that's the one that I used in the original build. I'm still going to burn all the paint off that one because I'll use that on a 6-string build later on, as I don't think I'll need that 3/4 of an inch, but I do need it for this guitar. I don't want to cut that body down anymore. So all I'm doing is burning these and taking any coatings and any of that shit off of there so that I can chemically age these, and I'll make another video of that shortly. All right, let me shut the propane off. All right, so as you can see, they're two totally different animals. The can on the left has more of a paint that alligators up, and the Moto Mix, the paint really doesn't. I did notice that when I use the aging solution, and we'll go over this in the next video, most of the color comes off of that can. You can see some remnants of the writing underneath, which is kind of cool. But I'm going to let these cool off, and I'm going to put my torch away.